Ay, okay, tama lang. Tama lang, nag-negative, no? Okay lang. Negative both sides ba lalabas? Magiging negative 40. Tapos ito, magiging 2x equals negative, tawag dito, negative 10. Tama ba? So, 2x equals, ano siya? Negative 10, magiging, divide mo sa 2, divide mo sa 2, x equals negative 5. Okay. Testing natin. 5 years ago, pag negative, mali ba yung tanong? How many years ago was father's age 3 times the son? Testingin natin. Testingin natin. Kung 5 yung sagot, tingnan mo yung magiging gagawin natin.